What is up, guys, and welcome to AndroidTechTV here. Today I'm showing you wallpapers. So in the background I've got my wallpaper on. Free wallpapers and ringtones. Now, you don't need any root for this, it's totally free. You just need the Play Store and storage. Okay, so to get that, type in on the Google Play, Zedge. Just want to put in Zedge and get that, and then install it. Now I've already installed it, so then it doesn't take longer. So it says here, free ringtones, wallpapers, app icons, and notification sounds. Enjoy by millions. It really works, and it's free. In a million, literally. Great. So yeah, everyone loves it. I'm going to click open. You just want to click install and then it'll open it. Okay, so you've got wallpapers, live wallpapers, ringtones, notifications. Let's have a look at notifications. Now we've got Pikachu, Meep Meep, you have a message, Yoda, there's notification. So you get all these. Alright, and you get all these, so you get iOS notification. And then got games. So you can get all these games. And then Football Manager. Obviously all these. Okay, so yeah, wallpapers, you can just click, haha, you don't know my password. You can click download, and then it'll all go into your download history. Breathtaking surfing, city lights, Marusha F1, I don't know, red moonlight, galaxy stars, and then that's my ringtone, obviously. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. It's pretty easy just to get, and then you just click on that one, and then you click tick, and then, yeah, so hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and give this video a like, and yeah, shout out to AndroidTechTV. Link will be in the description down below. I am uploading daily on this channel, and yeah, I've got school tomorrow, so I'll have to upload later tomorrow. Even Luke's got it, so which is TechTV. So yeah, shout out to our shit school friends. Oh, I hope none of the teachers are watching this.
No.
Shit. All right, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.